How to change password of Minecraft account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change password of Minecraft account. Now the process is quite simple. You want to simply open up your browser on your device and there you want to search in for minecraft.net. You'll be headed into this official web page here. You want to sign in to your account. I'll just sign in with my Microsoft account real quick here and it will sign me in real quick here. Now what you want to do once here is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon there. You can see at the top left corner, you can see it's logged in. Once you're logged in, you can either tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner here, or what you can do is you can tap on the three horizontal line icon at the bottom of your screen and there you want to tap on my account option. And once you tap on my account option here, you can see editing your personal information or security must be done via your Microsoft account. Simply tap in at the login at account.microsoft.net and here it will take you to the Microsoft web page here. Now since you connected your ID with us, it'll have to be here, and once you open up you can see change password option at the very beginning. Simply tap on change password and you'll be able to change your password here. So you'll have to enter in your older password and after that you'll have to enter in your new password. You'll be able to change your password. So this way you can change your Minecraft account password. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.